Do you want to make your WordPress website completely dark mode with CSS code? I will show you how you can make a WordPress website fully dark mode with CSS code and also with a free plugin. So here's my WordPress website. Now we can see this section and these sections light mode. Now to make these sections dark mode with CSS code, all you have to need, open your WordPress website and click on customize. And now in this left hand menu, click on additional CSS. And now keep this customization panel open, and now you have to open your WordPress website in a different window, just like so. And now go to the light section you want to make dark. Now we have to copy the section ID name or class name. So all you have to need, right click on the section and click on inspect. And here we can see the section class name. So all you have to need, copy the section class name from here, or you can copy ID name of the section. Go back to the customization tab, and here for class name give a dot, paste the section class name, give a second bracket and type here background and type black. And here we can see the section successfully now dark mode or black color applied. Now to change this section text color, here type text and type the color name. Sorry, to change the section all text color, you have to type here only color and then type the color name you want to apply, and after the color name give exclamation mark important, and you see the text color of the section successfully changed. And go to another section and you have to copy the section class name or ID name the same way. And sometimes it's very risky to change your WordPress website color, background color using the CSS code. So it's complicated and risky way. Now I will show you how to change WordPress website color to dark mode. So go to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to add new plugin page, and here you have to search for dark mode and search for it. And here you will find bunch of different plugins you can use to make your WordPress website fully dark mode. Let's install this plugin WP dark mode, and this plugins comes from WP Pol. So install and activate this free plugin in your WordPress, and once the plugin activated, all you have to need, open your WordPress website, and now you see a theme or color button successfully added in your WordPress website. Now by clicking on this color button, you can make your entire WordPress website dark mode. And again get back light mode, click here and your site will be light mode. So now on, any visitor will be able to easily see or visit your WordPress website by making the site dark mode and light mode using this button. Go back to your WordPress admin dashboard, and here we can see the plugin option. By clicking on settings, you will be able to adjust or customize this button. Thanks for watching.